Hello again guys, my name is Evelyn and welcome to my channel. In today's recipe I'm going to be showing you how I make my air fryer pork chops. So these are basically pork chops coated with some cooking oil and spices, then air fried to perfection. So you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. So as usual, the recipe is super simple and I've listed all the ingredients I'm going to be using in the description box. Don't forget to check on that. I have here 1.5 pound bone-in pork chops. This recipe doesn't need any fancy sauces or heavy breading to actually taste good. We're keeping it super simple and I'm only going to be using a few spices and some cooking oil. That being said, let's get right into seasoning our pork chops. To season, I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, and last but not least, 1 teaspoon salt. Next, I'm going to be mixing until everything is perfectly combined. When it comes to the combination of spices, you can always use whatever you prefer, but you're definitely going to love this combination. Now the next step will ensure that your pork chops stay moist while cooking. So I'm going to coat my pork chops with some vegetable oil. You can also use some butter, and this will ensure that your pork chops don't dry out in the air fryer and help to crisp up the outer layer. Next, I'm just going to coat my pork chops with the oil, then flip it and repeat the same process. If you're still watching, please give me a like if you haven't done so already, and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Now the next step is to coat the pork chops with the spices we mixed earlier. So basically, don't hold back. Make sure you're generous with your seasonings if you want your pork chops to taste good, because that's where all the flavor is going to come from. So once I'm done, I'm just going to flip them over and repeat the same process. Alright, now that I'm done, let me show you a close-up. So this is what we're going to be working with, and as you can see, my pork chops are seasoned to perfection. The next thing I'm going to do now is to place them in the air fryer, and I'm going to cook them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and halfway through the cooking I'll flip them over and continue cooking. You're going to cook your meat until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Now there you have it guys, my crispy air fried pork chops. I hope you guys try it out because this was so delicious, and I'm not even going to lie, it tasted so good and I enjoyed every bit of it. I hope you try it out. I'm sure you're also going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you haven't already done that. I hope to see you all in my next recipe. Bye.